This might be the craziest fire sale by a rich kid. You're asking $98,000 for this car? I won't pay a penny more, even as scrap metal. It's worth more than $100,000. I want 35 cents. I'll wash them with my second brother. 100 bucks? Hey, what? Just go pay for the entrance ticket. Easy on the gas, don't blow out the tires. Wife, mom, don't leave. I really did score a huge deal. Spend $98,000 to pick up a totaled Audi R8. After restoration, it can be resold for $400,000. Brothers, do you think this deal is worth doing? Drop the thing. This deal is a must-do. A paper mule? Let's tear it down and find out. Stripping the entire exterior and interior is the only way to uncover all the hidden issues. Spending $98,000 was a gamble on this heart. Is it a pleasant surprise or a nightmare? Let's see it together. The core value of $98,000 lies in this Lamborghini. Identical V10 engine. Let's open it up and check the internal condition. The pistons are covered in carbon buildup. The previous owner's maintenance was purely based on luck. The cylinder walls are severely scored. I only bought it for this V10 engine. Looking at this level of damage, a few more hard revs and it would have been game over for an all-aluminum block. Boring and sleeving isn't the best solution, so I'll just go all out and take the hit. Ordering a brand new short block assembly. Guess how many W10Ks this block cost? Continue the teardown. Engine disassembly complete. Everything's ready. Let's start the assembly. Replacing all piston rings with new ones. Starting with OEM torque specs. Replacing oil seals to fix the leaks. Engine assembly complete. Installing the accessories. Moving on to exterior stripping and sanding. Painting 8405 paint mixed with Tango Red formula. Mixing and spraying, the leveling is very clear. The key to a high-end paint job is stripping it enough. Only then can you achieve a 360-degree, dead angle-free finish. Dropping the engine back in. Filling all vehicle fluids. The exterior and engine bay have been overhauled. How could we compromise on the interior? Using all genuine Nappa leather for a custom wrap. This 98,000 R8, with months of sweat, is it really worth $400,000? Please watch the final reveal.